Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to check for updates on Mac. For that, first of all, you have to click on the Apple logo which is on the top left corner of your screen. Then, from the drop down, you have to select About this Mac. Then here you can see on the top you will see 5 options. Make sure you are under Overview. Then here you will see Software Update button. Simply click on it. When you click on it, it will check for all of the updates in your Mac. If you have selected automatically keep my Mac up to date option, then it will automatically update all of the application and software in your macOS. In my case, as you can see, there is update now option available here. That means I need to update my macOS. Simply click on this upgrade now button and then your macOS will start upgrading to the latest version. If your Mac is up to date, then there you will see your Mac is up to date region right over here. When you click on Upgrade Now button, your Mac will automatically restart and upgrade to the latest version. In this way, you can easily check for updates on Mac. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.